Alright, so I'm back. I got another man bun for y'all. Got the samurai joint. Let me show you. You seen the other video where I got my hair flat iron. So it's been a week, and this is what it's looking like. Can do it to the side. I might do my comb over back. What y'all think? Do my comb over like this and just have? Nah, I would cut it like I would cut it a lot. But so this man bun is real easy once you got your hair flat iron. So all you do, like always, I got one of these. I didn't say this on my other video, but I use heat protectant on my hair before I flat ironed it, and the flat iron was at 325 degrees. But anyway, so what you want to do is just kind of rake it with your fingers, going back. Kind of get it a little bit detangled. Be gentle with it, because you know it's gonna be more fragile, because it's been straightened. All right, and then you want to take it all in one hand, like that. Make sure you get it all up. Then hold it, and then just like flip it around one time. Grab this, and then pull this over like that. And then loop this part. Like that. Alright, and that's pretty much it. And what you can do, you can take a soft brush and kind of smooth the top. Real gentle. Fix the sides up where I got my parts. Alright, and another way you can do it is kind of have it going to the top. So you want to take it again. Do that again. Hold up. Take it, flip it through one time, and then kind of bring it more forward like this before you loop it. And then that way it's like higher up. So that's another way you can do it. I like the first way better. But alright, yo, stay tuned and check out my flat iron video. I'm gonna link at the end of this and all my other stuff, and I'll be back with some more. Alright. This song is long. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching.